Is the SUD Life Immediate Annuity Plus plan the key to lifelong financial security or just another plan with hidden limitations? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. This is a non-linked, non-participating immediate annuity plan with 3 plan options. So some of the key features of the plan are there are multiple annuity choices, like you can pick from 3 plan options A, B or C, and you just need to pay one time. Like you can pay a single premium to activate the plan, and there is assured income, meaning you get a guaranteed fixed payout based on your chosen option, and you also get to choose to receive income monthly, quarterly, half yearly or annually. So there are some key features like this, and also the plan options where the benefits will also differ, like survival benefit, death benefit, maturity benefit. These all benefits will differ based on what kind of plan option you have opted for. And there are advantages like one-time hassle-free investment, like you can secure your plan with a single premium payment, and you also get to enjoy assured annuity payouts throughout your retirement years. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages, like the payout remains the same for life with no adjustment for inflation, and your annuity payments are fully taxable as per your income slab rate, and also the surrender is permitted only under select annuity options. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about it, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the policy brochure's benefit illustration to help us take a more informed decision. But if you do want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that the policy holder, who is like a 60-year-old male, has invested 5 lakhs in option 2 life annuity with return of purchase price, choosing annual payouts. So here we are going to assume a life expectancy of 85 years. The annuity begins immediately paying 28,915 rupees per year. At age 85, the purchase price is refunded to the nominee. Based on these cash flows presented on the screen, the IRR works out to be 5.67% as per the policy's maturity calculator. While the plan ensures a predictable income stream in retirement, it has notable drawbacks. The invested capital remains locked, limiting liquidity, and the annuity payout stays fixed, leaving you exposed to inflation. So this policy provides stability but delivers modest returns with limited flexibility and no inflation protection, making it less effective for long-term retirement planning. Now, as we have a basic idea about this policy and know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to the comparative analysis, where we are going to see other alternatives for fixed income investments. So first, if you take bank fixed deposit FDs, they are safe investment with a guaranteed interest rate for a fixed tenure, where you can expect returns from 6 to 7% annually. And Senior Citizen Savings Scheme (SCSS) is a government-backed scheme tailored for seniors, ensuring regular interest payouts, where you can expect returns of 8.20% annually. And there is RBI floating rate bonds, which is bonds issued by the RBI with interest linked to the NSE rate, offering half yearly payouts, where you can expect returns currently of 8.05% annually. So these instruments provide regular cash flow similar to annuities, but with the added advantage of liquidity and flexibility. However, like annuity plans, they do not protect against inflation. So to address this, we are going to blend equity with fixed income instruments, which can help us enhance returns and to safeguard our purchasing power. So for inflation adjusted income, let us imagine a scenario where we are going to blend equity and debt. So let's revisit the earlier example of a 5 lakh corpus in the SUD policy. So here we are going to do a 60% equity allocation, which is 3 lakhs, assuming 12% average return for long-term growth, and debt allocation, which is 40%, which is like 2 lakh, where you are going to assume 6% return for stability and regular income. So the initial annual withdrawal is going to be same as in the SUD policy, which is 28,915 rupees with a 6% increase every 5 years to counter inflation. So every 5 years we are going to rebalance the portfolio by moving the gains from equity to debt and full debt shift by 871, reducing the exposure to market volatility in your later years. So this approach leaves a surplus corpus of 9.34 lakhs compared to just the 5 lakh return of purchase price from the SUD policy. In addition, it provides inflation adjusted withdrawals, flexibility in investment choices, and a sustainable corpus beyond your lifetime. A 60:40 equity to debt strategy combined with periodic rebalancing can deliver steady income, protect against inflation, and build wealth that outlives you. And adjustments can always be made depending on your risk appetite and financial goals, making this approach a more flexible and rewarding retirement plan than traditional annuities. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SUD Life Immediate Annuity Plan worth it or not? So this policy promises a steady lifetime income with options such as return or no return of premium and single or joint life coverage. It also allows the utilization of a home mortgage amount for purchase and can be chosen by NPS subscribers. However, these features come with a limitation. Only select annuity options like option 2 and 6 are available, which restricts flexibility for investors. A closer look at the numbers show that the returns are below average. While the assurance of lifelong income may sound appealing, it should not be the only factor in making a decision, and it also has a high agent commission. In fact, the IRR often trails behind returns offered by traditional debt instruments, making this plan less suitable for those aiming to preserve and grow their retirement corpus. So retirement planning is not one size fits all. So instead of relying solely on annuity products like the SUD policy, you can consider a customized retirement strategy tailored to your own financial goals, risk appetite, and your income needs.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.